Hey guys, today let's make Andhra style delicious tomato pappu. Almost all the weddings in Andhra they serve this pappu. It's very delicious. You also try at your home. For this soak half cup of tur dal. Here I have taken this cup for the measurement. You can take any cup and quarter cup of chana dal. Wash it properly and soak it for minimum 1 hour. Now add the water as per the requirement. Add some turmeric and little bit of oil. Cook for 4 to 5 whistles. Now mash the dal properly. Now take a vessel, add oil. Once the oil is heated, add some cumin seeds, chopped onion and green chilies. Fry until the onions are well cooked. Here I have added very little bit of salt so that our onions will get cooked soon. Once the onions are cooked, we have to add 1 tablespoon of chili powder. Mix everything and cook for 1 minute. Now we have to add tomatoes. Here I have taken 3 medium sized tomatoes. If you are taking small sized tomatoes, you have to add 4 to 5 tomatoes. If you are taking big sized tomatoes, 2 tomatoes are enough. Now once the tomatoes are 50% cooked, add the sambar powder. You can take any sambar powder which is available at your place. Here I have added 1 to 2 tablespoons of sambar powder. Now mix everything and cook for 1 to 2 minutes. Now add the tamarind pulp. It should be of thick pulp. Don't add much water in this pappu. It should be of thick pappu. So mix everything and let it cook until the boil comes. Once it started boiling, you have to add the mashed dal. Now while adding the dal, if required, you can add 1/4 cup of water. Now add the salt as per the taste. Till now we haven't added any salt. So add the salt according to your taste. Mix everything and let it cook for 5 to 6 minutes on low flame so that our pappu will absorb the spices. Now heat a tadka pan. Add oil. You can add any tempering of your choice. Here I have added some mustard seeds. Half tablespoon of chana dal. Some red chilies. Now switch off the stove and add 1/4 teaspoon of hing or asafoetida. Add this tempering to the cooked dal. Mix everything and enjoy. If you like the video, don't forget to click on like button. Thank you. Thanks for watching.